Hey guys, welcome to KP Cars. Today I'm going to show you a helmet from Steelbird that I ordered from Steelbird's website here. So let's unbox it. We have another box inside the box, so let's unbox it too. The helmet is Steelbird Helmets Moonwalk Motocross helmet. Yeah, I've ordered it in this yellow and black color. So the price is rupees 2379. I paid additional 100 rupees shipping charge. Yeah, for the helmet. 60 centimeter matte black yellow. They even gave a extra one set of fibers. Yeah, it's here. The helmet is even available in these other colors as shown on the box. All of them are available on Steelbird's website. Yeah. Thanks for watching my video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down there below for more such videos. Yeah, bye.